Yeah, look at it. Oh my god. Look at this bit. This bit's incredible. So I'm about to do one of those jobs that you either love or hate, and it is the autumn or fall garden tidy. It's possibly the last tidy of the year in the garden. You don't know what jobs will crop up in the meantime. So we're going to get some tools out and sort this garden out. Yeah. So we're going to tidy all this up, but not just this. Leaves, lawn. We've got this decking area to clear. Look at it. Oh my god. Look at this bit. This bit's incredible. We need to release the pizza oven. So yeah, no woodworking, no real fun stuff, but let's transform this garden. Music. So satisfying. Incredible. Incredible, incredible. Real fun stuff. Real fun stuff. This bit's incredible. So satisfying. Look at this bit. Oh my god, this bit's incredible. The grapevine is now down. Will it all go in the bin? Let's see. Real fun stuff, real fun stuff. Oh my god. Look at this bit. Real fun stuff, real fun stuff. This bit's incredible, incredible. Oh my god, so satisfying. Incredible, this bit's incredible. Look at this bit, so satisfying. So satisfying. Incredible. So this bit's incredible. Oh my god. Real fun stuff. Oh my, so satisfying. So satisfying. Incredible. Real fun stuff. Oh my god, so satisfying. Real fun stuff, real fun stuff. Look at this bit. We need to release the pizza. This is incredible. So satisfying. Oh my god. Have you ever fancied an egg custard tart? Ooh, I'm not sure. An egg custard tart. Ooh, an egg custard tart. I'm not sure. Ooh, an egg custard tart. I'm not sure. I could murder an egg custard tart. Incredible. Oh my god. So satisfying. Real fun stuff. I really fancy an egg custard tart. Incredible. So incredible.